I'm the world's strongest man, and this is the world's biggest gun.
This is a Weatherby 460 Magnum. What people said was the most powerful thing you could go hunt with. And there was like a bunch of kind of like folklore around it. Like if you couldn't shoot it more than 3 times without your nose starting to bleed and all kinds of stuff. There you go.
That's nice.
Yeah, like nothing. Now, what did that compared to the one you just shot?
I think it's about the same, yeah. It's a big bullet.
So we're getting bigger. The concussion that came off that, like I felt it back here, like in the chest. That was worse.
Maybe my shoulder's getting sore, but that was worse.
I think it's going to be kind of tender by the end of the day.
Yeah. What a waste of pudding.
I got something for you here. This is a double barrel.
Prestige. 24
karat gold, 500 Nitro Express. I don't think you get any more fancy than that. Nice.
They've all got like proper kicks. Every single time I shoot something, it's taking skin or blood out of me.
This is a square 5.77 Tyrannosaur, and this is one of 24 rifles ever made. 12 went to Africa, 12 stayed in the U.S., and this is one of those 24. So it shoots solid, but I have some 650 grain soft points, so those watermelons should just absolutely detonate.
Okay.
Yeah.
God.
It's still raining watermelon. Jesus.
Wow.
Are you sure you want Jamie to do that? Because you may lose your camera.
Honestly, man. Jeez, that's so nice. It's like,
It's like a big warm hug, right?
it's like an instant whole over body massage. Just for context, Jamie, how tall and heavy are you?
So I'm like 6'2" maybe.
Uh-huh.
I'm like 62 kg, so that's this much pounds.
Okay. Lean back, Jamie.
Lean.
What do you mean lean back?
Aim at the berm.
Oh my God. I'm so glad you were there, man.
Yeah, that was awesome.
If he wasn't there, I would have been.
I was like, yeah, good job, dude. Good job.
Oh.
So, back in the day, this was the champ.
Champ.
600 Nitro Express was the biggest and most powerful safari rifle you could get until they came out with 700 Nitro, and really 4-bore was before this, but this is what everybody was using.
Right, how old is this then?
This gun is probably 50 years old.
Oh, okay.
But it's in really great shape. Double barrel, 600 Nitro Express. A lot of really nice engraving and stuff on it too. And it shoots a 60 caliber bullet. That is a 900 grain full metal jacket.
Well, I'm interested to see how this looks and how it feels and everything.
Everybody's been having all the fun today, so I'm finally going to shoot one. All right, here we go.
Oh,
It's my favorite part.
look at the size of it.
It's just so ridiculous.
It is ridiculous.
It's giant. So yeah, there's your 4-bore, and then there's the round. 2,150 grains.
Let me hold that in my hand because I've got
Yeah.
big hands. That is a big bullet.
So this thing loads like artillery. Pull this little lever here, and then as you can see, it lowers this like breech. And
It's like loading a cannon.
it really is. It's like shoulder fired artillery. Let's take that there. And then you raise your breech. All good?
Everyone happy?
Yep. Oh, that
Oh my
moved
God.
you a little more than 7 inches that time, Eddie.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
That moved you.
Take that off me.
370-pound man just got shoved. Oh. Are you okay?
Oh my God. I'm gonna need shoulder surgery. I mean, let's look at the destruction it's
So
done.
yeah,
Do
he went through everything, all of it.
you think the bullet,
So what you're looking
bullet
at
down?
here is
so that
hydrostatic shock.
the
So
bullets forced everything down?
yeah, it hit it with so much energy that it just bent the table. There it is, Eddie, right there. You have to get it. I've got the gun, but it's right there on a piece of watermelon.
That's the bullet.
That's the bullet. Looks like a big rock.
Yeah. So that has gone through the water, and the force from that bullet has forced the water down and broke the table.
So out of everything you've shot, like ever in your life, where's the 4-bore rank in recoil?
That is number one. By a mile. Like that really did hurt my shoulder.
That's 200 pounds of felt recoil.
So it's like 200 pounds hitting me in the shoulder
Yeah.
in a split instant.
And it moved you.
Oh yeah.
Like, that moved you for sure. That's crazy. That's really saying something with as strong and as big as you are.
Yeah.
And it's still pushing you around. If we got that to Jamie, I'm pretty sure
Jamie.
Jamie would die.
Jamie.
Don't worry, Jamie. I only brought 1 round, so you can shoot it.
Scott, man, put it there, buddy.
It
Thank
was
you
a
so much.
pleasure to watch you shoot them, man.
Absolutely amazing. That has been a life experience for me. I've shot many a gun in my lifetime, but that was something special.